Hi everyone, how to fix the game login failed error in the First Descendant game. I will show you guys few effective solution to fix this problem, and I also tell you why this error happens. So guys, as you can see, this error happens because the outages or the maintenance of the server, and the second reason of this error is your connection problems. And guys, if you want to fix this problem, you have to simply restart your PC and then restart the game. After the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if this does not fix your problem, then we can go to our solution. So you can go to the Windows set, type at the CMD, and this will appear on the top. Just simply run as administrator. So now guys, from here type the command which is ipconfig and space and forward slash and then flush DNS. So guys, once you type it, hit the enter. Now you have to type the command which is the netsh and space and winsock and then space and reset. So guys, once you type it, just hit the enter. Now you have to just restart your PC, and after the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the Windows set, type here the ncpa.cpl, and this setting will appear on the top. So guys, once you open it, you have to right click on your connection and go to its properties. Here guys, in the properties, you have to just scroll down. You will see the Internet Protocol version 6. So you have to just uncheck this. This is very important. So you can uncheck this and then highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Go to its properties, click on the use the following DNS server, and in the preferred DNS type the 8888, and in the alternate type the 8844. So guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Then click on the OK, then close it, and I would recommend to you restart your PC, and after the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then click on the First Descendant game and click on the gear icon, go to its properties and click on the install files, and then just click on the browse option you are seeing. Here you will see the First Descendant game launcher. So I will show you guys the another game example. So once you click on the browse option, here you will see the First Descendant game launcher. Right click on that, simply go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility. Here you just need to check this box of the run the program as an administrator. After that, just restart your Steam and then restart your game, and the majority of problem will fixed. You can also try to verify integrity of your game files. This can also fix your issue. So I hope guys one of the solution work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.